Hey guys, this is Sagar testing out the optical steady shot of Sony a6000. I'm not sure if you can see this, but currently the steady shot is on. So let's test it now. And now let's turn off the steady shot. As you can see, the steady shot is off now. So that was a quick test of steady shot in action. It does work to an extent, but not completely. What I mean by that, people will still be able to figure out that you are walking without a gimbal. So let me know what you guys think of the steady shot in Sony a6000.